Welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to put a picture in letters using Canva. Let's get started by opening Canva and clicking on a project to begin. Navigate to the Elements tab in Canva. Search for Frame and click on See All. Scroll down until you find the option for letters. Now, select the letters you want to use and add them to your canvas as needed. Next, simply drag and drop the picture you want to use directly onto the letter frame. Double-click on the picture to adjust its size and position within the letter frame. And there you have it. You have successfully created a picture in letters effect in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you for watching.